Apply a bandage, a step-by-step guide for beginners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very practical topic in the English language: how to apply a bandage. This is not only useful for English language learners but also a vital skill in everyday life. So, let's dive into this interesting and informative journey together. In this section, we'll break down the phrase, apply a bandage. To apply, in this context, means to put on or attach something to something else. A bandage is a piece of material used to support or protect an injury. So, when we say, apply a bandage, we mean to put a bandage on a wound or injured part of the body. It's crucial to know when a bandage is needed. Bandages are applied to 1. Cover wounds to prevent infection. 2. Support an injured limb or joint. 3. Secure other medical dressings. Knowing the right time to apply a bandage is a key part of first aid. Bandages come in various types, each suited for different situations. Some common types include adhesive bandages, small cuts and scrapes; gauze bandages, larger wounds; elastic bandages, to support sprained joints. Understanding these types will help in choosing the right bandage for different injuries. Now, let's learn how to apply a bandage. 1. Clean the wound with mild soap and water. 2. Dry the area gently. 3. Take the appropriate bandage. 4. Place it securely over the wound or around the injured area. 5. Make sure it's not too tight to avoid circulation problems. Here are some additional tips. Always use a clean bandage. Do not apply the bandage so tight that it stops blood flow. If the injury is severe, seek professional medical help. That's all for today's lesson on how to apply a bandage. Remember, practicing these steps can be very helpful in daily life and emergencies. We hope this video has been informative and easy to understand. Stay safe and keep learning.